Hey, what's up, everybody? So my friend Dave and we've been running our scripts for a couple years now. We found this match on the Pulse Nightclub shooting. So this is June. This happened on June 12th, 2016, right? Well, if you look at this Diablo 2, well, it's on a Diablo 2 forum called D2JSP. If you're a gamer, you probably already know about this website. But it's for like Diablo 2 training and whatnot. Well, if you scroll down here to this screenshot, we're going to actually use some of this data here, and this actually predicted and warned us about the nightclub shooting just 3 months before it happened. So you want to save this screenshot to your desktop, and we need to get the hex value inside of Photoshop, and right where it says auto right here, you want to get this hex value right there. And we're going to open up our gem finder 9000 right here, and we want to paste that puppy in there, and then we need to type in JSP and multiply. We're going to be using division for this, but that's good enough. Screenshot right here, it says FDH354 underneath the Wi-Fi name, FDH354. And if you do the digit sum of 3, 5, and 4, that's 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. And 12 represents the date. And then if you get the total characters, it's 6. So that's going to be June. That's June 12th. Okay, so we need to find Pulse. And 80 is going to be right here for the last character in JSP. 80 is going to be for the P. So we type 80 ASCII. And then our next one, we need to find U, and that's under division. And we get 83 right here, which represents capital S. And then we plus the G value right here, which is 85 in ASCII. And then we need to find the letter L. And we have to go to division, and it's going to be 74, which is capital J, plus the G right there, which is 76 in ASCII. Then for the next one is S, and we have to go to divide, and we're going to be using just a capital S right there. That one's pretty simple. And then for the last one, for the letter E, we need to go to division, and we're going to be using 74 right here, and we're going to be minus 3 characters from that because there's 3 characters in JSP, so that's going to be 71, and then we minus 2 from that with the G value after division, and that's 69. So 71 minus 2 is 69. Okay, and so I did the math to find shooting, and it's all right here. And this coincides with the values with the gem finder, but I got all those values right here, so I just want to copy and paste all of them right here, and let's put them into our animator and let's see what happens.